pickup truck. What we got, man? Some shit going on. Like a industrial washing machine. Be working, man.